All right, so we're going to get started from scratch. Obviously, you have a Google account and with this, or Gmail account, and with this Gmail account, you'll click on these boxes over here, Google Apps. Then you want to click on Drive over here. Then you pull up a new screen. And with this screen, you will be able to create something new. We're going to click on New over here. We're going to click on Google Docs. I'm just going to show you from scratch how to create a presentation. In the future, you'll just get a template, and this is just training purposes. So we're just going to call this template, okay? And then from here, you're going to get some information from me that will have property information. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to try to find where I have it saved at. Click on properties. Properties here, and then I'm going to find a property that I am working on right now and see if I can find it. So, all right, so I don't have a script for this yet, but here's the photos for it, and that's how you'll get your photos that way, and in a Dropbox, and then you can upload them accordingly. But let's just say, for all intents and purposes, just for training purposes, what you'll do is you'll have the property address. So you'll say property located at, and then you'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, Stone Street. We'll just put Flint, Michigan. Then you'll put the description. You want to write some script. Take a look at the photos and get an idea of how to write the script. I'll provide some information for you, but I want you to kind of spruce it up a little bit. So you want to say, this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath offers private living in close neighborhood. You know, something to that effect. You know, you get the idea, and then you'll start typing in some other stuff here. Then you want to scroll down a little bit here, and here's a little trick how you insert tools. I believe. Then you got to click on, nope. So you will got to create a table, and so in order to create a table, insert, and then you click on table, and then you can click on the amount of boxes that you want to use. So let's just start with 3 up and 6 down. Boom, just like that. Then from there, you will go to those pictures, and then you click image, and then upload from computer. Find the folder in which the properties are in, and then you would just start, you know, loading up the properties accordingly. And you just click on here again. Make sure your cursor's right here in the next box that you want to insert the next one in, and then you repeat again, and then you click on your next one. Cursor there again, go up to insert, images, and then find another picture, and so on and so forth. Let's say you filled up all the boxes here and you wanted to add some more. So you'd come down here, and then you want to right click on your mouse, and this is where you can delete a row or add a row. So here you'd say you want to insert a row below. Click on it, and there you have it. Now if you want to delete a row, let's say you have less pictures than you have boxes available, then you would go up here and say delete a row and delete another row, okay? And that's how you do that, and that's how you create those table boxes. Then down below, you can create another you can create another box, which just insert table, and maybe you want to just go 2 across that way, and then you can type in, you know, my contact name and number, or if you're presenting this property, then you type in your contact name and number, and then you can come in here, look for a photo, upload your photo, just like that, and then voila, and then you can click on it. And this is a way that you can make it smaller too, so you just click on it, and then this little box is around here, and you just zoom in like that, and that's how you can make it smaller. Okay, so pretty easy stuff. Once you have it saved, everything's complete, you want to share it with me. So, well, you want to share it with everybody for that matter. So you click on share at the top here, and then click on this get shareable link, and click on that. It'll turn green, and then you have this link, and you can take this link and make a hyperlink on it on a website if you want, but that's on another training segment. So for this training segment, you want to click here and then type in the address in which you want to share that presentation with that you just completed. So in this case, for training purposes, we're just going to type in my name, and it'll start filling in the blanks right there, and then you just click on it and then hit send, and then I'm going to take it to the email that you'll get. So it should show up here, hopefully. Let's see, get rid of this junk emails. Let's see. Well, it should show up in my email shortly. Hit the refresh here. Yeah, here we go. So it says invitation to edit. So I would click on that, and then I'd open Docs, and boom, there it is. See how easy it is? So that's all you have to do.